Good morning, folks. Severe storms knocked out our power. I'm on the battery's clock. Here we go. Death toll still climbing in China after yesterday's quakes. 89 dead, hundreds injured, 20,000 homes destroyed. The region of Vancouver has been rocking way above normal. A few of you remarked that the Pacific Network broke some records here. Since the big Costa Rica quake, there have been harmonic tremors and magma movements under the volcanoes in Nicaragua. Bit of good news here. Leslie will track towards Michael, missing Bermuda for the most part, and my buddies up in Nova Scotia. Those living in the Midwest probably noticed how cool it was yesterday. It'll be colder today. Using the wind map, we see where Canadian air is sweeping down and meeting warmer air right at the boundary of the high and low pressure systems. You will notice that blue low in the center had a high pressure system to the east as well. Well, the east edge of that low exploded over Indiana, Kentucky, Missouri, Ohio, and others yesterday. Casualties are reported, and clearly blackouts as well. Long story short, check today's Torcon. Better to be safe and know where the severe weather's coming. We did have a gamma burst yesterday morning, and many of you pointed that out. And yes, the HARP data site is down for maintenance, which happens to every server on Earth, but somehow I feel people will make a big deal out of this one. They should not. The Earth-Sun magnetic connection. On the left, the main Earth footprint is located at that little Earth on the bottom right of it, but there's more than just one connection point. Coming over to the right, here's how this works. The top left blotch is correlated to the northeastern limb of the Earth-facing solar disk. That makes this big region with a few connections the central southern region here, with most Earth connections falling closer to the actual footprint. And just around the corner we have a few more of those connections, so let's keep watch down here for flares. Haven't had much activity, but that can change instantly. Another calm day on the Earth-facing SDO images. The bright active regions crackle while a dark coronal hole faces us directly on the northern hemisphere. Pre-sunrise, if you can get outside quickly, do it. The moon won't sit by Jupiter for long. In 4 days, the moon will have moved on to conjoin Venus, which should look spectacular in the morning sky. In the meantime, Mercury approaches the sun here, set to conjoin geocentrically in 2 days. Fun little tidbit, Jupiter, Venus, and Mars are going to be lined up almost perfectly at that time as well. For those watching heliocentric and geocentric planetary positions, here's a bit of what September holds. Eyes open, folks. That's the news. Be safe.